When you sit down, does your belly come out on its own? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, then this video is exactly for you. Most people think this is normal. They blame food. They blame age. They blame genetics. But that is not the real reason. Today I will show you 3 simple, very simple exercises you can do while sitting or on your bed or sitting on a chair or on the edge of your bed. No jumping, no standing, no complicated moves. These exercises are made for people whose belly shows more when they sit and relax. Stay till the end because I will also tell you how to use these daily for the best results. So I bring to you 3 minutes, 3 simple moves. That's what is the best part about these exercises. You just need 3 minutes a day. Completely doable and achievable. But before we move forward, do let me know in the comment section below which part of the world are you watching this video from. Let me know your city or country quickly in the comments below so I and each one of you know how far and wide our YouTube family has spread. I am dietitian Natasha Mohan and I have not just helped so many people transform themselves, but first my journey began from home. I myself was once overweight, about 40 kgs is what I have lost on my own. And that's when my journey began to help others like you who's watching this video. So I bring to you those very easy, effective, doable, completely beginner-friendly exercises which have helped me, thousands of people who have transformed with the help of my exercises. And now it's your turn. Sit tall, relax your shoulders and keep both your feet flat on the floor. Get a cushion, which is of course in handy because you obviously have something or the other which will help you at home. Like this. You have to keep it absolutely straight, parallel to your feet. Now you have to lift your leg high enough, one knee touching the cushion, then the other, and you have to repeat this for a minute. The moment your leg goes up to touch the cushion, you have to exhale. And the moment your leg goes down, you have to inhale. And please feel the tightening of your core muscles. Keep them completely relaxed, but pushed in slightly when you're exhaling. Let's begin. Just make sure that you touch your knees to the cushion. And you don't spoil your posture by going too backwards. You have to sit straight. Keep going. You're doing very well. This is just a reminder that you can do it too. And with that, we complete a minute. Well done. So proud of you. Now let's begin with the second exercise. Again, you have to tuck in your core. This is the most important engaging muscle. Remember, do not suck the stomach hard. This is just an inward pull which you have to create. And for now again, with the help of a cushion, we're going to lift it upwards like this and stretch it slightly far and wide, not over here closer to the chest. This is here, way beyond the knees, and we have to kick the cushion with our toes like this. Keep engaging your core while you're lifting your leg, and here you don't have to pay too much attention towards inhaling. Just pay attention towards exhaling when you're kicking. Let's do it together. A simple and easy kick can actually help you get a flat stomach. Who knew that? That too sitting in the comfort of your own home, sitting on your bed. Do this exercise early in the morning, or if you choose to do it in the daytime or at night, just before going to bed. That's how flexible my exercises are, and that's how helpful this channel is for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel hit the bell notification, and once you're done, don't forget to like the video. It feels like you're actually kicking away your belly fat. Keep going. Just a couple of seconds left. And well done! Now for the third and last exercise, it's again super easy and simple. Again, we lift this glorious cushion right where we need it to be. Just right very close to our chest, and now we have to shift it sideways with lifting the same leg to the direction which you're going to shift the cushion in. Like this. Engaging your core muscles. We are going to do this for exactly a minute. Let's do it together. The best part about this exercise, it not just targets your central obesity, your central belly, but also your side belly. Just a gentle reminder, keep your core muscles engaged and you will sure see the results. Do not get distracted. It's just a minute of hard work. Make sure the cushion stays only at your chest level. And you're done. Well done. Relax completely. Now sit comfortably. These 3 exercises take only 3 minutes, but they work like magic because they fix the real problem. Now do this once daily, same time every day to begin with, and thereon you can repeat it maybe in the afternoon once and then just before going to bed like I told you. But remember, consistency is everything. No pain needed, no sweating required, just control and repetition. Give this 7 days. Notice how your belly feels when you sit. Now that is the real change, and no slouching. You have to sit tall and straight whenever you do. Now think about this when you sit tomorrow. Do you want your belly to push out or feel supported? Let me know in the comments below. Your choice starts today. And if you wish to join a paid transformation program, then you know where to click. Down below in the description, you can connect with me by just clicking on the link given below, where you will be getting the support of a dietitian, doctor, and a health counselor. All come together to transform you and help you achieve your target desired results under my supervision. I'm Natasha Mohan, and I've had the great pleasure of bringing you on board. If you want to stay connected, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos.